Hello and welcome to On Blast with MG. MG here, your host. Today we're looking for an easy meal today, to be honest with you. And what is easier than chicken wings? So we're gonna do Costco bought Tyson chicken wings. They're frozen. In fact, these are frozen solid. Good value at Costco. And we're going to use our Emeril Lagasse air fryer 360 to make them. So this is a pretty easy task, you know. If you're looking for an easy meal, quick. Actually, it's not that quick, but it is what it is for timing, but it is quite easy. So all I've done is I've taken the wings out of the bag, stuck them in the basket of the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. I put in as many as I could. I've done this before and it doesn't seem to make much of a difference, but you know, you don't want to overstuff these things. You're gonna put it into basically in the middle area right there. He says in number 2, it's for toast, bagel, broil, rotisserie, air fry, and dehydrate. So I'm gonna stick them right in there. One of the things I learned with the air fryer is that you basically want to have these things centered over the drip tray, because if you don't, then your air fryer will start to smoke quite heavily. Some of the juices from the chicken, you know, leak to the sides, and this drip tray doesn't exactly form a seal around the unit at the bottom, so it could start smoking. So basically stick them in here. Make sure your drip tray is in place. Close that up. Then go on to select your air fry setting at the highest level the Emeril Lagasse goes is 400 degrees. So we're gonna do 400 degrees for 25 minutes. We'll click the start. This will start preheating and then it will start cooking when it reaches 400. And you're gonna do it for a total of 50 minutes. So 400 degrees, 25 minutes, and then you're gonna flip them at the end of the time, and you're gonna do another 25 minutes at 400 degrees, and then you should have perfect chicken wings. So let's check in at the halftime and see how it looks, and then we'll show you guys how they look at the end. Alright guys and ladies, it's halftime. Ha! That's a nice pun. So basically after 25 minutes, I just go in and do a little flip around. You can already see they're starting to become a little golden brown. And remember, these were from frozen. So from solid, frozen. Now we're gonna just flip them all around a little bit and stick them in for another 25 minutes. And after that, so a total of 50 minutes, we should be good to go. Which part was that? On? All right, so. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so 25 minutes per side, air fry setting on the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 for a total of 50 minutes, and you got beautiful, crispy chicken wings. Really easy, just basically set and forget. 25 minutes per side for a total of 50 minutes. These are Costco. They're fairly large, you know, rock solid frozen chicken wings. Throw in a little bit of Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, and you got yourself a little meal. All right, enjoy.